Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Jalal Ahmad, and in this tutorial we are going to learn the property border radius property of CSS3. So without wasting our time, we will straight go to the code. So I have styled the body as margin auto, padding is 50 pixels and text align is in the center. So we will use a div. I use it from scratch so that you can understand. So we take a div tag and leave it as it is. Okay, now come to the style tag and style it. Background is equal to, I have chosen a color 7A 7959. Okay, now height, let give it a height as 300 pixels. Okay, width is equal to 400 pixels. I'll make it as 500 pixels, and now let's run. Okay, so we are having the div which we styled, given the background color as a brownish color. So let's come to our purpose of the tutorial. Border radius. So what if I give it as 25 pixels, 50 pixels? You can clearly notice that all four sides of the div are given the radius property. So you can use other values as well, as point et. You can notice that as 5em. Okay, and another one is as 5em percentage. So let's do it as 50%. So you can notice all properties are applying on the border radius. All values are applying to the border radius property. So for the time we use 50 pixels, which stay fixed. So you can notice that all four sides are being affected by this one value. So what if we use two values, 50 pixels and 100 pixels? Let's notice. Okay, so now we have given the two values. First value is assigning to the top left border, top left corner, and the second one is top left corner and the bottom right corner, and the second values are applying to these corners, top right and bottom left. So what if we use three values, 30 pixels? So now you can notice the first value applies here, the second value applies to these two corners, the top right corner and the bottom left corner, and the third value applies to this corner, the bottom right corner. Okay, now what if we apply the fourth value as 200 pixels? Come on. You can notice that the first value applies to this one, the second value applies to this corner, third one to this corner, and the fourth one to this corner. So it rounds in such direction. Okay, we can use it as separately. Border radius as top left radius. So we will use 25 pixels sorry, border top left radius is 20 pixels. Why is it not happening? Save. So it is not working, and the problem is in here. I found the problem, sorry. Okay, now let's move, and you can notice that this side, the top left side, has been affected by the value. Similarly, we can use the top right as 20 pixels, and you can notice that it is being bended. Similarly to top, now this time we will use the bottom right radius, and it has been affected the bottom right corner, and now bottom left corner, and you will notice this one has been affected. So all these can be used in all these four properties can be used using the shorthand property as if we comment it and uncomment this one, and I use it the 50 pixels so that you can notice 50 pixels. Okay, now let's a little style it as 50 pixels, and 100 pixels. Okay, let's make it as 200 pixels, just playing with it. Okay, so that's all with this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial and like the like my video. If you like my video, please comment comment my style of teaching, that how am I going, so that I can improve my the way I teach. Okay, thank you guys, and keep watching my channel, subscribe my channel, and thanks for